my name is Vicki, and this is Heartland Knits and Sews, my YouTube channel where I talk about all the things I love to do, mostly knitting and sewing. Today I have an unboxing of my Think Pink box, which literally just arrived. I've been out working in the garden this morning, and so this is a total come as you are. I'm wearing an old ready to wear t-shirt. Got a little sunburn, and yeah, and I apologize if my hands are, I did wash them, but you know, gardens. So anyway, I saw the mail truck go by and kind of ran to get my box off the porch. This is going to be a little bit of a surprise unboxing because, so I have the choose your color option, and when at the end of last month, I pulled up that page, and even though the little pictures were kind of blurred out, I was pretty sure I knew what it was going to look like. And there's 4 colorways, and you probably all know this already because you've watched other there's other unboxings, but they're all really pretty, and I couldn't decide, and I kept going back and dithering and changing my mind. I'll get this one, no, I'll get that one, and I honestly don't know which one I picked. Or even if I actually did, you know, send it through to like choose the final one, because you kind of choose one and then you go through like the checkout process, but you don't really pay anything. You just like, that's your choice. And so anyway, I don't know which one it was. No, I knew I could probably look it up and decide and, you know, to see, but I just thought, oh, let it be a surprise, because all 4 colorways are really pretty, and I'd be happy with any of them. I'm really happy with it. We got a new box. This is just so perfect. This is the colorway, the fabric that Andrea did with Rachel Parker. Oh, and even the sticker has the little spots on. So yeah, she did this in French Terry last fall. I really wanted some of the French Terry, but when I figured out between kind of, and I apologize if you hear my lawnmower person is here and she's just going past the window, but I really wanted some of the French Terry, but when I figured out between the cost of the fabric and the cost of the shipping, kind of what that would be, and it would be sort of for like a sweatshirt type thing, I just couldn't rationalize it. So anyway, let's get into this beautiful box. This is like the perfect box. I hope you keep this all the time, because it's I think this is my favorite box, except the very first ones that I got were the animal print floral ones. I loved those. So the postcard says Celebrate the Wins, Chapter 5, and it's got all kinds of like confetti. Celebrate the wins is definitely what we all should do, as this earlier this month, May 4th, was my 14-year kidsversary. And when you come out of that, you come out of chemo and everything, you do really celebrate all the little things, like everything is a big deal, and then it kind of goes away, but we should remember to do that. It's 2.5 meters of fabric, like I said, 4 colorways, and look how pretty everything is. It's all pink and white, and oh, there's even balloons on the little sticker of the little bag. So let me open that up, and then I will know what color I have by the thread. So we'll see it. They're all pretty. They'll all be good. This is one of them that I was really dithering over, so yay. So we have, I think these are chocolate. I hope they're chocolate. I really hope they're chocolate, because I could, yeah, but they're really pretty. These have the little kind of sparkly, so those will be good. Thank you, Andrea. This is her birthday month. So the boxes are always kind of a little more special. And yeah, I'm not sure when her birthday, like the actual birthday day, but I think she was on vacation during the middle of the month, and I think that it was while she was gone. But this is a little thing called Seam Fix, and it's a little seam ripper. Truth be told, I don't use these, which isn't to say that I don't rip out anything, because I rip out lots. But I just feel I have more control with a little scissors. So I always use a little scissors to rip out things, and not one of these, because these just feel like they can be so sharp that they can kind of get out of control. So yeah, so I never use these. Water break. And then we have this little package. Oh, I think I have one of her things. She has really clever things. This is something by Generates. And it is a spools for bias binding, elastic cord, seam tape, trimmings, fringing, ribbon, passementerie, and more. The dimples in the sides keep an elastic band in place to prevent unraveling. Oh, that's really clever. And look, it's got Andrea's logo on there. So yeah, so you can wrap things around. I have a ton. They haven't been used, but I bought a ton. My Joann's closed, finally, like forever closed, last Friday, and I was there, I think last Wednesday, and everything was 95% off, and I bought just this huge bag of ribbons and buttons and stuff. So yeah, which is nothing, related to this at all, but anyway, I'm not going to show you the color. I'm just going to tell you the color number is 315. It's very pretty. So now I get to see the first look at this fabric and this beautiful pink paper. Oh my God. Oh, this is beautiful. And it's a viscose. So yeah, you want to see the color? This is the beautiful color that I received. Isn't it just glorious? Oh yeah, it was kind of between, well, it wasn't. I varied between this one, the pink one, and the white one. Those were the ones most of all, just because they felt the most sort of summery. But yeah, isn't this gorgeous? And it's got the Beyond the Pink door on the selvage. So yeah, and it's a really nice like feeling viscose. It's not like super lightweight or anything. Here, let me get one piece. So I am not sure what I'm going to make with it. Probably a dress of some kind, but I'm not sure. But aren't those colors pretty? I don't know if it's going to come up. It's really sort of a very kind of royally blue, and this is the thread that kind of matches it. But yeah, it's got all of these colors, and I don't know if those spots are black. I think they're black. But I love these like tealy ones and the pinky ones, and oh yeah, this is going to be so fun to make. I don't know what I'm going to make. I haven't made up my fabric from last month either. Honestly, this month May just goes in a whirlwind, and I'm in the garden every day. I'm so far behind. Only yesterday did I get everything fertilized and pruned. I lost 28 roses over winter. It's a little heartbreaking. But anyway, this month, yeah, that's all that happens. And so I am sort of far behind. I don't know, but isn't it pretty? So anyway, that is all that I have, this quick little unboxing. And I have these lovely candies and my little seam ripper, which will be good for, you know, occasionally. And my little, what did she call this? A spool. A spool. It is sort of a spool. Yeah, so that is my fun unboxing of my fun Funfetti fabric. I'm super excited because, like I said, I really wanted the French terry, and so this will be super fun to sew up something in it. Andrea posted something on Instagram, a dress that she made for her vacation, and it was a, can't think of the name of it, it was a Jennifer Lauren design, and it was just a really nice dress. Like, not super fancy, not, you know, anything. It was just a really nice dress. So maybe I'll look that up and I will use this for that. Though I don't know. This is just super fun, isn't it? Anyway, I thank you all for watching, and until I see you next time, happy sewing.